I rise above Stirling, drone wings wide, skimming the Forth where all goes bide. Stone and shadow, skyline bold, the city's a story that's never old. Stirling Castle, steeped in stone, a monarch's seat, a nation's throne. Not just a fort, but Scotland's heart, where power played its greatest part. Scotland's capital, crown and shield, a royal home where fate was sealed. Through years of war, through peace and strife, its halls still whisper real life. Look beyond where Abbey Craig stands tall, Wallace watches over all. Steel and fire, blood and vow, his spirit lingers even now. The monument climbs through winds that bite, a tower of defiance, cast in light. For freedom roared through Wallace's veins, and Scotland still recalls his name. The bridge today is solid and fair, but beneath the waters ghosts still stare. For once there stood another span, where Wallace fought, where battles ran. Its wooden bones were swept away, lost to war, to tide, to fray. Yet deep below, where waters glide, that bridge still whispers with the tide. Westminster's halls are known to all, yet Stirling heard a monarch's call. A Scottish king took up his reign, within these walls his fate was lain. The holy rood where echoes ring, once crowned a child to be a king. James VI in solemn grace received his throne in this sacred place. But Stirling's heart beats strong and near, a living map in stone and sky, where past and present never die.